Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel, Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrita Shankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. 530 subscribers. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. This video should have been a 500 sub special video, but I'm unable to do that because of the technical issues and all. So thank you for this 530 subscribers. I'm really shocked and I'm so happy for that. Now whatever the scenario every one of us are facing all over the world, the whole world is in the lockdown, and I request everyone to stay home, stay safe, stay hygiene, and it's for our safety. It's almost like we can't do anything, but everything is in our hands. So I want everyone to stay safe. Please don't go against the rules that are kept by our government. Please don't break the rules. The police, the doctors, the whole government, the nurse, the medical people, whoever are there, they're just working for us. The media is working for us. They are keeping us reported with the cases and all. So let's not break the rules, but let's break the chain of being affected. Stay home, stay hygienic. Please keep yourself and your family safe. Actually, we get so much time to spend with our families, and I know so many of you are working from home. Some are like really bored. I really was wondering what to do. So I also wanted to share some things which you can do in these holidays. Do some cooking work, girls who still feel not knowing cooking is something great. No, it's not. Just start cooking. And people who are interested in drawings, improve your skills. People who are interested in painting, do that. Craft work, you can do n number of things actually. So try doing that. You can learn dance from my channel. No, I'm not being selfish, but yeah, you can do that actually. And tutorial videos are on the way. I'm trying to shoot them as I'm really bored, and also really I have so much time now, like 1 month whatever video I haven't posted, I can actually post, I can actually edit. I have so much time left, so I'll be shooting the tutorial videos and also be posting them. I'll try to post 2 videos a week. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you haven't hit the notification bell, you should do it. It's completely free. So that's it, guys. Stay safe, stay home, stay hygienic, and enjoy the period with your family.